Is your car's AC secretly draining your wallet? Most drivers assume the moment it stops cooling, it's time to hand over hundreds, sometimes even thousands to a mechanic. But the truth is, your AC system doesn't need a $300 recharge or a $2,000 compressor. It needs you to stop falling for these industry scams and learn how to fix it yourself for as little as 10 bucks. In this video, I'll break down 10 hidden tricks to transform your car's AC from weak and wheezy to ice cold without ever stepping into a shop. And at the end, I'll reveal 2 common mistakes that could destroy your system completely, even if it seems to be working fine right now. Let's dive in. Tip number 10, clean the condenser. The $10 fix you're ignoring. Your car's condenser is like the heart of the AC system. Its job, push heat out of the refrigerant so that you actually get cold air inside. But here's the catch. It's mounted right at the front of your car, exposed to every bug, leaf, and bit of road grime. Over time, all that gunk gets baked onto the hot metal, forming a nasty layer that traps heat. That forces your compressor to work harder, sometimes even to the point of failure. And when that happens, you're looking at a repair bill north of $1,200. The fix is simple. Grab a pressure hose and a soft brush. Let the engine cool first, then blast the surface clean and scrub away the stubborn stuff. Let it dry fully before driving. After that, you'll probably notice cooler air within minutes, but we're just getting started. Tip number 9, check the AC inlet, the mold magnet you never see. Behind your windshield, just below the wipers, is the AC inlet. That's where outside air enters the system, at least when it's not clogged. If you park under trees or drive through dust, debris builds up fast. And when it gets wet, mold. Not just a little mildew. This is the kind of bacteria that makes your car smell like an old gym bag. If the air smells musty or stale, here's your fix. Turn the AC fan to low and roll the windows down. Spray disinfectant like Lysol into the inlet while the fan is running. That pulls it through the vents and kills bacteria hiding inside. Pro tip, remove your cabin air filter before doing this. We'll get to that next. Tip number 8, stop pre-cooling. It's a fuel-sucking myth. On a hot day, you start your car and let the AC run for 10 minutes before getting in. Makes sense, right? Actually, no. All you're doing is burning fuel and punishing your compressor. AC uses about half a gallon of gas every hour it idles. Instead, get in, switch the AC to the lowest temp, and roll down all your windows. Let the system kick in for 15 seconds, then crank the fan to max. Roll the front windows up, leave the rear ones cracked for another 15 seconds, then seal everything. You'll cool the car faster, save fuel, and your system won't be working overtime. But that's nothing compared to this next tip. Tip number 7, the recirculation button is your best friend. No, that button with the little U-turn looking arrow isn't a joke. It's the most underused AC hack in your car. Here's how it works. Normally, your AC pulls hot air from outside, but on sweltering days, it can't cool it down fast enough. Recirculation keeps using the already cooled air inside your car. It cools your cabin faster, blocks out fumes in traffic, and even saves fuel, up to 10% less according to some sources. If you've got passengers in the back though, don't use it. It reduces airflow to the rear seats. But if you're solo, leave it on every time. Tip number 6, replace the cabin air filter, no mechanic required. Your cabin air filter is the first line of defense against smog, pollen, dust, and debris. But once it gets clogged, airflow tanks and mold becomes a real threat. Worse yet, it makes the system work harder, using more power and risking long-term damage. You should change it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. And the good news? It takes less than 5 minutes, no tools required. It's usually behind the glove box. YouTube has hundreds of quick guides for your model, and it costs around $20. Cheaper than the air fresheners you keep buying, right? Tip number 5, park smarter, beat the heat before it starts. Think 80 degrees Fahrenheit outside is hot? Try sitting in your car after 40 minutes in the sun. It could be 118 degrees Fahrenheit or more inside. That heat forces your AC to double its workload. It drains fuel, strains the compressor, and wastes energy just trying to break even. Solution? Park in the shade whenever possible. And if that's not an option, use a reflective windshield sunshade. It can drop cabin temps by up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. They cost under $10 and instantly lower the pressure on your AC system. You'll feel the difference the second you get in. Tip number 4, refill your refrigerant. Don't let shops scam you. Here's what most mechanics won't tell you. Refrigerant doesn't go bad. It can last forever in a sealed system. But small leaks happen, and over time, you'll need a top-up. An AC recharge at a shop can cost up to $300. Doing it yourself, less than $10 in materials. Look for R134A, not the overpriced R1234YF. The eco-friendly stuff is 20 times more expensive and not noticeably better. Just follow the instructions on a recharge kit and you'll be set. We'll talk more about why your refrigerant might be leaking fast in a second. Tip number 3, don't let low coolant kill your AC. It's a weird truth. Coolant doesn't cool your cabin. But when you run low, your car might shut off the AC entirely. Modern vehicles are designed to protect the engine first. If the temperature spikes, it disables the compressor to prevent overheating. So if your AC suddenly blows hot air for no reason, check your coolant. Low levels are a red flag and possibly a sign of leaks elsewhere. Top it off now and save yourself from a $7,000 engine meltdown later. Tip number 2, check your fans. One dead fan equals total failure. Right behind your grill, there are 2 fans. One for the radiator, one for the condenser. These fans are crucial for keeping refrigerant temperatures down. If just one fails, your AC starts working, then slowly dies off. The fix? Start the car, blast the AC, pop the hood. After 5 minutes, both fans should be spinning. If one isn't, don't go to the dealer. You can find quality replacements online for under $100, and that leaves just one last part of the system to inspect. Tip number 1, inspect your fan belt, the silent AC killer. The fan belt, or serpentine belt, connects your AC compressor to the engine. If it's slipping, cracking, or squealing, your compressor isn't spinning fast enough. That means weak airflow or no cooling at all. Worse, it can burn out your compressor entirely. That's a $2,000 hit you could avoid for a $65 belt. Pop the hood, check for slack or visible wear, and replace it if anything seems off. It's one of the simplest, highest impact maintenance steps you can take. Bonus: 2 common mistakes that destroy your AC. Mistake number 1, not using the AC for weeks. Think you're saving fuel by keeping the AC off all summer? Think again. When your AC isn't used regularly, internal seals dry out and leak. The compressor parts corrode. And when you finally turn it back on, bam, catastrophic failure. Even in winter, run it for a few minutes once a week. It keeps everything lubricated and functional. Mistake number 2, aiming vents directly at your face. Sure, it feels nice at first, but blasting cold air straight at you slows down cabin circulation. It wastes fuel, dries out your skin, and leaves the rest of the car warm. Point the side vents at the windows and aim the center ones upward. You'll get faster, more even cooling without the dry eyes and sore throat. These 10 tips aren't just about comfort. They're about saving fuel, preventing costly repairs, and extending the life of your car. With just a little DIY effort and a few cheap tools, your ride can go from swampy to sub-zero. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's been sweating through summer. And if you want more AC hacks and car maintenance tips, check out our next video, the truth about engine coolant that could save you thousands. Stay cool and drive smarter.